And I just have to be at... where's it? Fab. Albad.
New Zealand 448, left heading 060. 060, New Zealand 448.
I'm heaps away from peak still, which is good. Just looking at this. 3,000 feet at the Dubu. Like that. Not seeing it.
New Zealand 172, roger. So 448, turn left heading 320. Heading 320, New Zealand 448.
Where do you see it on your flight plan for onset brief for your top of descent? Routing. It's not past your fuel, eh?
Are you on the PDM?
Oh, down here. Okay. Yep, hold on. Christchurch, climb. Alright, that's all my segments. I've gone too far.
New Zealand 448, left heading 260 from this heading intercept the localizer. Cleared for the ILS Demi approach, runway 23 left.
There it is.
Okay, cleared ILS Demi approach, runway 23 left. We'll report New Zealand 448.
47 miles. Is it 0047 at the end of it?
New Zealand 448, so you're passing through the cell line and make that heading 210 from that heading intercept the localizer. Confirming 210 New Zealand 448.
See that peaks as its coordinates.
Yep.
There's 1574970.
1549. I've got 49, but then it's 196 after. Or 49 and then below it's
Down.
479.
79. 79. So that
Okay,
there,
do I request
that's
descent now?
79. That 79 represents 79 miles after descent, because it's still quite a bit.
Yep. Probably should just. Cause yeah, I'm here now.
Auckland Control, New Zealand, 448 fully established, runway 23 left. Signal 448, quarter surface wind 210 at 5 knots, 23 left, clear to land. Cover to winds and 23 left, clear to land, New Zealand 448.
And Auckland Control, New Zealand at 1, request descent, flight level 150.
New Zealand 8-1, roger, when ready, descend, flight level 150.
When ready, descend, flight level 150, New Zealand at 1.
And then I'll do my vertical speed of fuck all.
Christchurch Control, New Zealand 681, airborne passing 600 feet.
Zealand 681, Auckland Control, good evening. Climb by the SID, flight level 340.
Climb via the SID, flight level 340.
Let's refresh this. For the general, I've got that there.
New Zealand 8, continue the descent to 11,000 feet, and if you keep your speed up in the descent, that'd be appreciated.
Was he talking to me?
Confirm for New Zealand at 1.
Firm to 11,000 feet, QNH 1011, and if you could keep your speed up in the descent, that'd be appreciated.
Okay, so
Keep descent up, 110,000 feet, QNH 1011, and we'll keep the speed up during the descent for New Zealand at 1.
New Zealand 81, roger.
it's just because you're just behind me.
Yes.
I'm speeding back up. What's your mark?
And Atlanta 666, Auckland Control. I can't recall if I've given you your star clearance, but if not, that's the Peaks 8 Bravo arrival, runway 20.
20.
If you're in the Peaks 8 Bravo arrival and when ready, descend to 12,000 feet on Christchurch QNH 1011.
Okay.
Bring it down.
There
down.
is no.
Bring
Is
it
it?
down. I want 2,000.
Is it ILS? Is it not ILS for runway 20? Yep. So we're coming from mid-bot. 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 My BOT. At the top. 750, bro. I can't go any higher than that. I should probably tell them.
New Zealand 81, contact me on frequency 129.4.
129.4, New Zealand 681.
129.4 from New Zealand 81.
Yeah, that wasn't for you. That was for New Zealand.
New Zealand 681 with you, 129.4.
That was for New Zealand 681.
Oh,
New Zealand 81, Roger.
Ooh.
what?
And New Zealand 681, we're still on the vector departure and we're still flying the runway heading.
Oh, my bad. I didn't hear 6.
New Zealand 681, Roger, cleared direct to SEPTA, flight level 340.
Clear direct SEPTA, New Zealand 681.
Actually, New Zealand 681, what's your waypoint after SEPTA?
After SEPTA is Messick.
Roger, recleared direct, present position to Me6, flight level 340.
We cleared the current position direct to Me6, flight level 340, New Zealand 681.
What a horrible right.
Atlanta 666, contact me frequency 129.4.
It was for me.
And New Zealand 81 is with you.
New Zealand 81, Roger.
Flight level 290 on 2000.
Atlanta 666, Roger.
16.
I'm at 1,000 feet. How far behind you, man? What?
I just got a
Still 448, go ahead.
I just got a message from that New Zealand 681 guy.
Yeah.
He just goes.
No problems, it is a bit problematic. The ATA seems to be cutting in and out as well.
Say again.
He just goes, Iron Maiden fan question.
Nice.
Roger, good night. Break New Zealand 81, descend 7000.
New Zealand 81, send 7000.
Oh, I keep saying New Zealand 81, I'm starting up. I'm just gonna let my VNAV take over. Jesus Christ, Tiana. She said, speaking of which, I was sitting in someone's flight while they were practicing maneuvers and they came close to stalling. Bless, they were nervous. And I think it gave me scared to the point last night in my dream I had a semi-scare about stalls and to push control column forward, and in my sleep I actually managed to move my arms and bang them on the bed, causing things to come crashing down. Lol.
Peace, mate, brother.
Sorry, peaks is what?
So 172, go ahead. New Zealand 172, sorry, busy down south. Continue the descent via the star profile to 3,000 feet.
He's busy down south, he reckons. Hey? Maybe. He's in isolation, so if he is, then good man.
Yeah, New Zealand 172, maybe a little high there. Do you require vectors for the ILS?
Okay. None of these waypoints that are on the approach plate
So 172, roger, turn right heading 050.
are on my... Yeah.
Oh, you're doing that, you're approaching.
Yeah.
All
Like,
you need
compared
to
to
know,
what's in my...
all you need to know is 2,000 feet and a new.
Zealand 81, descend to 6,000 feet.
Descend 6,000 feet, New Zealand 81.
Okay.
Yeah, let's go just careful.
Atlanta 666, descend to 8,000 feet.
Then 8,000 feet, that's 666.
And standard speed below 10,000, thanks.
250, bro.
250.
Just got told off. Oh, really? Oh. I thought you were below 10,000 already. My bad.
005 here.
Just Nathan. Where were you guys? Atlanta. Hold on. I'm getting fast for some reason. We'll go here.
Right, okay.
Speed brings back out. QNH 1012.
011.
Oh, it is 1011. Yep, you're right. Okay. I might just get the... Okay, how many?
Zealand 172, turn left, again New Zealand, yes, New Zealand 172, turn left heading 320.
How many miles away is ODB from Idubu?
How many miles? Blah, 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 blah.
New Zealand 81, descend to 3,000 feet via the star profile.
Descend 3,000 feet by the star profile for New Zealand 81.
New Zealand 172, continue the turn left heading 260.
Oh shit. Hey bro.
Yeah.
What was the localizer for 1.20?
109.9 still.
It's the same?
So 172 from this heading, intercept the localizer, cleared ILS DME approach runway 23 left, and report established.
Yep, localizer is 109.9. This is on the plate.
Line, that's 110.3.
110.3.
110.20.
Oh, maybe I've got the wrong thing. Hold on.
Havana 666, continue descent 6000.
6,000. Okay, 666.
What was the thing again? 103.
110.3.
Okay, it just changed everything. Not.
10,000 feet.
Hey, I'm not lagging. And I have the runway in sight, I believe. Disregard, no I don't. Yes I do. It's off my runway. Oh, yeah, I forgot about flaps. Okay, what's our...
Decimal 81 cleared for the ILS DME approach, runway 20, report established, and if you keep your speed up on the approach.
cleared for approach 20.
Yeah, cleared. ILS 20. Report established.
Auckland, Sierra Juliet, Kilo Golf.
66.
Juliet Kilo Golf, Auckland.
We are late downwind at Wellington, 1,600 feet, 16. Unsure how we normally do this if there's no tower on. Am I just following your usual radio procedure with you?
Roger, just stand by one. New Zealand 81, Auckland, you copy cleared for the ILS DME approach, runway 20.
Cleared for the ILS DME approach for runway 20. We'll report when on flight. For New Zealand 81.
New Zealand 81, thanks.
Sweet, I see the runway.
Chatham's 485 Tango, stand by. And Juliet Kilo Golf, Auckland Control.
Auckland Control, Juliet Kilo Golf.
Roger, got no details on you. What are you doing at Wellington?
Just local circuits testing the aircraft over.
Oh, Roger, thanks. In that case, if you could maintain a listening watch on the Unicom frequency 122.8, thanks.
122.8, thanks for your help. Juliet Kilo Golf.
Roger, good night. And Chatham's 485 Tango, Auckland Control, go ahead.
What's your indicator speed?
Hold on. It is 211.
Chatham's 485 Tango, Roger, stand by.
So I'm showing an Odyssey on mine
Yeah, sorry.
with that localizer in.
Yeah,
I can't see Odyssey on my thing,
I think
or do, or anything on my call it on my approach plate. Maybe I'm on the wrong one.
You should have ILS DMA or localizer DMA.
Why is it? No, it's 02. Fuck's sakes. I don't have it. Approach. Oh, for fuck's sake, stop doing that, please. Runway 20.
Atlanta 600, Mike check.
Oh, it's the other way around. Okay. I just see I need to be at 3000.
Station calling, say again.
Atlanta 600, Mike check.
Readability, strength 5.
Atlanta 600 on ground, 1 inch from the question Alpha clearance.
Is 172 a affirmative, I gave you that. Wind is 090 at 1 knot, runway 23 left, clear to land. Chatham's 485 Tango, can control your clearance. You are cleared to Wellington flight plan route flight level 260, the level 1 Papa departure, Cap-I transition, and squawk 5116. Channel 485 Tango, roger, push and start approved, call again for taxi. Break Atlanta 666, descend to 5,000 feet.
Down to 5,000 feet, Atlanta 666.
New Zealand 81, surface wind 110 at 2 knots, runway 20, clear to land.
Runway 20, clear to land, New Zealand 81.
Affirm after landing, taxi your discretion to the gate.
After landing, taxi via my discretion to the gates for New Zealand 81. Thank you.
Atlanta 666, cleared to 3,000 feet, cleared for the ILS DME approach, runway 20, cleared and call established.
Down to 3,000, clear for the ILS 20, call established, Atlanta 666.
Alright, my airplane.
Oh.
And other station calling, go ahead, your call sign.
Gravy.
Oh, flaps 20. Okay, let's speed it down. Whoops. Yeah.
What was our approach speed again? Full flat is...
Singapore Cargo 443, Auckland Control, did you call? New Zealand 172, take Alpha 8 on your right and taxi via Alpha Bravo 5 to the domestic ramp.
I'm just lagging ever so slightly, bro.
You're right. I haven't made that far, Mr.
Yeah, my apologies in the late descent. It's one of the problems with extended coverage when you've got some traffic at opposite ends of the country. But yeah, just if you're concerned about wanting to get lower, just prompt the controller and just say requesting lower. And if you have any doubts about your descent profile, just request radar vectors.
Atlanta 600, question Alpha clearance.
Too high. Get down,
Oh,
baby.
that Atlanta 600 is using...
Reggie strength 5. Break. Was that Atlanta 600?
Atlanta 600, affirm.
Oh, Jesus.
Roger, apologies for the delay. You are cleared to Christchurch, flight plan route, flight level 300. The Missile to Quebec departure, SABDA transition, squawk 5103.
Atlanta 600, clear to Christchurch, flight plan route, flight level 300, near to 2 Quebec departure, SAPTA transition, score 5103.
Sorry.
He's in the
Atlanta 600, read back is correct, and a push and start approved, call again for taxi.
Push and start approved, call for taxi, Atlanta 600.
Oh, and I ballooned. Fuck. Way on the ground. This thing better fucking stop. Okay, we're stopping. Do I just let them know that I'm vacating?
yeah, so then you can give me a clearance.
Okay, cool. Oh, I don't know fucking where I'm vacating from though.
Just clear it.
Shit. Slow down, motherfucker, please. Uh-oh.
Atlanta 666 is the established time is 20.
Atlanta 666, roger, surface wind is 110 at 2 knots, runway 20, clear to land.
Okay, cool.
Clear to land, runway 20, 666.
This thing doesn't want to...
And Singapore Cargo 445, Auckland Control, the wind is calm, runway of your choice. At the moment we're using 23 left. And I guess going to Melbourne 23 left would be preferable. Okay, well, let us know what you decide on and we'll give you the appropriate clearance.
That's just a dick.
Atlanta 600, we're starting our engine.
Atlanta 600, roger.
I almost crashed into trees, so I'm having to use reverse thrust to fucking get out of here. No.
In New Zealand 81, taxi via taxiway Alpha to the gate of your choice, cleared to cross runway 1129.
Cleared to taxi to the tower via the taxiway of my choice. Oh, the gate of my choice, sorry.
Fuck, gate of my choice.
By Alpha.
Yep, and cleared across runway 1129.
Cleared to cross runway 1129 for that New Zealand A1. Jesus Christ, that was horrible.
I don't think.
Hold on, what's my fucking plane doing?
I don't think you can.
Uh-oh.
New Zealand A1's just having some technical difficulties and my plane steering, can't control it.
I hate it when that happens, no.
You clear the runway that way.
It's like... No, I'm not.
I'm just, it's circling around and just clipping the end of the...
Active runway.
Roger, thanks.
It's not going to do anything about it. Hopefully not, bro. I'm trying to fix it.
Are you able to vacate shortly?
Atlanta 600, ready for taxi.
Atlanta 600, stand by. Atlanta 666. Aircraft at the end of the runway is just vacating. You're still cleared to land runway 20.
I'm going to crash anyway.
Confirm clear to land. 666.
And Atlanta 600 Auckland Control.
Atlanta 600.
Yeah, wind is at Wellington now 080 at 3 knots. Any particular runway preference?
Atlanta 600, we'll just stick with runway 16, we'll bank for departure shorter.
Roger, and when ready, you can taxi via Mike 5, Alpha 5, and taxiway Alpha, and to the holding point, sorry, was that runway 16?
8716.
Yeah, Alpha to the holding point, Alpha 2 for 16.
Atlanta 600, taxi via Mike 5, Alpha 5, and Alpha to Alpha 2 for runway 16.
Yeah, the 600, correct, you cleared across runway 1634 and make the hold point now Alpha 1.
And it was just going round and round and round.
Atlanta 600, cleared to cross runway 16 at the holding point.
I'm well clear of the runway, by the way. I hit one of the buildings. That was horrible.
And 606 vacating runway 2.
Atlanta 666, watch taxi to the gate via taxiway Alpha, and you cleared to cross runway 1129.
I was making that. Clear to the gate via Alpha cross 1129. Thank you very much for your service tonight.
No problem, have a good night.
You too.
Oh, do I have to load in that? Oh, I wonder how that works. Let's have a look.
Sierra Alpha Alpha Auckland Control.
Sierra Alpha Alpha, go ahead.
Yeah, have you on frequency 123.9?
Negative, I'll change to 123.9, Sierra Alpha Alpha.
Watch, thanks, 123.9.
Bit of a line. Okay.
Yeah, I had a bit of a run.
Sierra Alpha Alpha Auckland Control, how do you read? And Sierra Alpha Alpha, the surface wind at Hamilton is 230 at 3 knots. What's your preferred runway?
Phase